Regina, fresh gal, we're gonna have so much fun. I can't do this for too long because it hurts my neck. So I just wanted to do like a really quick, easy, lazy day kind of look. I've got one side done and we'll do the other side. I have foundation on. I just threw some foundation on. I did a little bit of cream contouring, but you don't even have to go that far. This is for like, you really aren't planning on doing anything crazy. You can wear this to work. You just, you got your sweatshirt on and you want to be comfy, but, say you want to run out and go to the grocery store quick and you don't feel like putting a ton of makeup on. This is just an easy, quick way to go ahead and throw some makeup on anyway. So, first you're going to need a, can you guess? Yes, a fluffy dome brush. I am using NYX's Ultimate Shadow Palette in warm neutrals. So you want to grab a palette that is like neutral colors, browns and peaches and coppers and, anything that's kind of like a natural toned palette, shadows, whatever you have. Urban Decay has some, the naked palettes, and there's plenty of neutral palettes going around all the drugstores. Like, you can find a neutral palette just about anywhere, probably even like the Dollar Tree. So I just went in first with this first color right here, and this is just such an easy look. You just throw that color in the crease. Like, just get it to where it's, kind of soft. You don't want it to be too harsh. Clean it off. Sorry, didn't mean to shake you. Then go in with this third color right here on the top. Put that right above it. And that's gonna also help to tone it down. I mean, this is like, I'm talking super quick stuff. This is also a good look for beginners who don't, really get too crazy with their makeup. So, I mean, that's that for the upper part of our eye. And then for our lid, we're going to go in with the third color on the second row. It's kind of a bronzy color. Not super dark. It's still pretty light. And you just take a flat, stiff eyeshadow brush. And you pat it. And you pat it all over. Now, I did add a little bit of color to the bottom lash line. And this is where, when you want to like just add a pop of color to a really easy neutral eyeshadow look, this is where you can kind of have fun with your eyeshadow. Is you can take like a brighter, deeper color. I took this dark red, burnt red color and a pencil brush, like so. And this is where you can get a little dramatic and just run it right under. I mean, you can add almost any color you want when you do a real neutral eye. You don't have to do this. You could leave it the way we just had it. And then no eyeliner today. That's that with eyeshadows. And then we're just going to throw on some mascara. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and put some bronzer on. Since I did contour with cream, I should go over it with a little bit of powder. It doesn't need to be super heavy. You don't need to put blush on. We're not even going to highlight. We're just adding some color to our face with the bronzer. And then you can just kind of, if you want to go over the hairline, don't need to go crazy, mess up your hair. And I mean, look at the difference, just throwing on some bronzer. Now you can put on a lipstick of your choice. And this is another area too where you're trying to keep the eye look, you know, very neutral. You can kind of wear a more colorful lipstick. I'm just gonna grab, let's see. Here's a nice, just neutral one. This is by LA Girl. It's a matte lipstick that I had bought. I have so many like different brands that like I have. I'm like, oh, I didn't even know I had that. It's got a little bit of color to it. It's not too nude. It's in the color. What is this color? It's gotta have Fleur, F-L-E-U-R. Okay. It's like a, kind of matches the color of the shadow that we put on the bottom. Like a burnt orange. I didn't even bother lining my lip. Because what the heck, we're being lazy. And there we are. That's that. Wasn't too bad, was it? So, I hope you enjoyed that short little video. I just wanted to do a short little video for like beginners, or if you just want to wear something easy peasy. That's pretty easy peasy. You don't have to do much. You only need like 2 brushes for your eyes, like 1 big fluffy brush for your face. And you don't even really have to wear foundation with this look if you really don't want to. I mean, it's totally up to you. You guys do what you want. So you don't have to do everything the same way I do. I'm just trying to help out, that's all. Just trying to help out humanity. I'm just trying to help the people of the world. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, must subscribe now. Now's the time to subscribe. Right this very second, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos like this, you just keep a lookout at my channel. And you can find me everywhere on the web at Gina48H. Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, all those different places. So it's Jeana, the number 4, the number 8, the letter H. I talked about I'm going to be doing some giveaways and some contests for some free makeup. Yes, I said it, free makeup. Also, I'm thinking about doing a live video here pretty soon, so I will let you guys know. It might be on Instagram, it might be here on YouTube. I haven't decided yet. If you have any ideas for what the live video can be about, go ahead and type into the comment section and say, I would like you to do this, Gina. I think it would be fun to see this or to see that. Anything you want to put, just type. So thank you guys for watching, and again, subscribe, and subscribe. But thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys are the best ever in the world, and I love you, and have a fabulous day. Love you. Bye.